Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video I am just going to be doing a quick cleaning video. It's not very long. Right now I'm not going to do very long videos, but yeah, this is what my house looks like and it is a complete disaster. But oh, and that table right there, it's going to my sister's house. But yeah, I'm just cleaning the rooms and I always start with the kitchen. I know everybody's probably tired of seeing my kitchen first, but that's just the way I have to do it to be motivated to do the rest of my house. But yeah, let's get into the video. And also I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cleaning my house and getting rid of a lot of stuff. I want to get rid of a bunch and not have that much stuff because it's just too much clutter and it makes me stressed out. So I'm going to be doing that too, but that'll be a different little series I'll do. One room at a time. And yeah, I know my cabinets are still not done yet. I don't know when I'm going to get them done, but I'm not going to stress out about it. I'm not going to stress out about the way my kitchen looks. I'm just going to do it when I feel like doing it. I'm not sure where all my lids and cups go. They're never matching. So yeah, I got rid of a lot. Right there. Like, I'm trying to figure out which lids and none of them go together, so I just tossed them. I'm tired of them. I don't have the right drain thingies for my sink. I need to get them, but I was trying to keep some bleach in the sink, but it didn't work. But it did work. It did get the stains out, but the water went away like in 10 seconds. But it still did the job. Oh, and to top it off, my oven stopped working, so that's fun. So we've just been using the air fryer for oven stuff, but the top of the stove still works. So my bedroom has been the same since we moved in here. I need new flooring and everything, but that's not just going to happen right now. So I'm not going to wait around to redo my room to get new floors. I'm not going to do that. But I have gotten a new bed frame and everything. I just haven't put it in my room yet because I want to make sure I have everything I need to do my room. So once I take my bed out, then I'll paint my room and then I'll put my new bed in. It's going to look a lot nicer than box springs and a mattress on the floor. But right now that's all I got. So you got to work with. So that does it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.